To know when someone likes you, first pay attention to their body language. People often touch those that they like, so the person might brush your arm while they're laughing at a joke you made, or pick lint off of your clothing. People also have a tendency to lean towards people that they like and mirror their body positions. If a room is crowded, they might make an effort to stand next to you or point their feet towards you. This is because they're subconsciously orienting themselves towards you. Other signs that somebody might like you is if they blush, fiddle a lot with their clothes or hair, or have dilated pupils. When you two are talking, check how often they laugh at your jokes. When somebody likes you, they want to make you feel like you're entertaining. They might also try to ask you more personal questions because they want to get to know you more deeply. Lastly, if the person keeps finding reasons for you two to hang out or messages you a lot on social media, it's a sign they want to spend more time interacting with you and might like you.